Restitution
What are you
also.
working?
My lord, I have a small shop as an electrical, I have an electrical supplying shop,
Oh,
and
ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ
she works as a beautician.
Beauty parlor.
Yes, yes. It is my case that this entire thing is an afterthought and is for the purposes of extorting money from me. My case is that marriage has not taken place. I have taken the defense in the restitution case also. But she herself in the complaint claims that the marriage has taken place twice actually, not once,
With
twice.
whom?
With the same person.
Same.
The same
Interview ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
petitioner.
ಏನ್ offense?
My lord, the offense is under 64 and 352. 64 1. The complaint.
Promise to marry, Alva.
My lord, it is a very, it is
ಹೇಳಿ.
the very complaint and the aspect or the averments of the complaint have been contradictory, and the conduct of the complainant has also been contradictory because on one hand 64(1) has been invoked, on the other hand there is also a restitution case that has been filed by her on the grounds that the marriage has taken place. This aspect that the marriage, as per her own complaint, the aspect that the marriage has taken place can be seen as a part of her complaint also. If this honorable court may kindly look into the fact that at page number 29 of the petition, where the complaint has been put forth, if I may read the relevant portion, my lord. I am reading at page number 30. ಚೇತನ್ ರವರು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ ಎಂದು ಹಲವು ಬಾರಿ ಪುಸಲಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ದಿನಾಂಕ 21-3-25ರಂದು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೌತಡ್ಕ ಗಣೇಶ ದೇವಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವ.
ಈಗ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is my case that the entire, it is my case that this entire thing is an afterthought and is for the purposes of extorting money from me. Therefore, in fact, I have taken a defense in the restitution.
What are you
also.
working?
My lord, I have a small shop as an electrical, I have an electrical supplying shop, and she works as a beautician.
Beauty parlor.
Yes, yes. She works as a beauty parlor. So it is my case is that marriage has not taken place. I have taken the defense in the restitution case also. But however, my lord, insofar as this case is concerned, I would like to bring about the fact that she herself in the complaint claims that the marriage has taken place twice actually, not once.
With
twice.
whom?
With the same person.
Same.
The same person. On 21-3-25 in Sautadaka temple, and on 19-6-25 at Raghavendra Matha in Kinigoli. Two places it has taken place. My lord, I would like to bring about, there is on 11-7, it is her case that on 11-7 she had come after the marriage. I have apparently sent her back home to her maternal place in Tumkur, and subsequently, because I was not in contact with her, she had come in search of me on 11-7, and thereafter a complaint has been raised on 11-7 itself by her. This complaint, my lord, that is before this honorable court, is dated 18-8-25. On the 11-7 complaint, my lord, it has been produced by the respondent, the complainant itself, as a part of their statement of objections. My lord, that can be seen. Unfortunately, my lord, maybe due to inadvertence, only a portion of it has been placed before this court. It is at page 17. But however, the entire complaint, I have placed it along with my memo that I have filed on 30th of July. If this honorable court may kindly look at the complaint, it can be seen at page 3. On 11-7, she does the first complaint against me. In this also, she claims the marriage. However, there is absolutely no whisper with respect to the fact that I have physically abused her, that I have, taken advantage of her physically. If I may read the relevant portions here also, my lord. I am reading at page number 4. Chetan Ravaru, ಮದುವೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 21ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನಂದು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಮುಖಾಮುಖಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ ದಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಮರಳಲು ಬಸ್ ಸಿಗದ ಕಾರಣ ಚೇತನ್ ರವರು ಉಳಿಯಲು ರೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡೆವು.
The offense is, according to you, it's no marriage.
There is no marriage.
No marriage. Nothing between you.
There is nothing between us. for which also they have produced the WhatsApp conversations between the two of them, which clearly show that absolutely no averments, and first of all, the WhatsApp conversations are not produced in full. They have been produced in bits and parts everywhere. But however, absolutely there is no question of, because there also she's been asking that let the marriage take place later and all of this. Even the WhatsApp conversations, that has been specified. If this honorable court may kindly look at the WhatsApp conversation, it's an
ಈಗ you have short charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. But there is an inherent discrepancy in her complaint itself with respect to the ingredients of 64. And it's literally a choice that is being taken. ನಾನು ಆ ಕಡೆ restitution ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ 64 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Let me decide which I want to take. This is the state, which is why I am before this honorable court.
Yeah. Your Lordship, the acquaintance of the petitioner and respondent number 2 takes place in October 24 through a common friend. A neighbor who is a relative of the petitioner gets them both acquainted with each other. Then WhatsApp chats have been exchanged between both of them. This goes on for 3-4 months. Respondent number 2 is a widow with 2 children of a younger age. And then when the petitioner comes to know of this, he starts pleasing her. Though I'm not able to produce the chats.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. I have the photo of.
But 64 ಯಾಕೆ?
64 has been mentioned wrongly by the police. What happened?
498 ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
498 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. 69 also would attract.
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾರಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು?
ಆಗಿದೆ. If they are disputing, deceitful means to obtain her consent. So both would come into picture. If the marriage is admitted, then 498A would come. If he is not admitting the marriage, even then it is 69, Your Lordship. Now I am really surprised by their submission that they are saying there is nothing at all. There is a mazer produced by them itself at the hotel where they stayed.
Let the investigation get complete.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In case they file a charge sheet against you, you come back.
My lord, but the inherent discrepancies.
So you want me to write an order? Not a problem at all. Your inherent mistake, I will clear it now itself.
Very well. Let the
I will say, your complaint ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ police ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That cannot become something.
My lord, 11/7 there is one complaint.
No problem.
2/8 she files.
See, tomorrow after investigation, they may rope in 498A, they may rope in something else. And take away 64. Still at this, that's why charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ investigation?
Charge sheet
We are
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
mentioning
Charge sheet
a wrong
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
provision
Come
in
after charge.
Very
In
well.
case heard the land council petition so. The issue in the list is with regard to whether with regard to an offence under section 64(1) which punishes rape. The other offence is section 352 of the BNS. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that there is incongruity in the complaint itself as to what offence the complainant is wanting to project. The learned counsel for the respondent complainant submits that the complaint is clear that it was an offence that had to become punishable under 498A or even 69, but not 64. The police have wrongly invoked the said provision. The police wrongly invoking a provision would not mean that the victim should be left high and dry. The victim should be left high and dry. In the light of the submission and contra submission, the investigation in the case at hand becomes imperative. Therefore, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the doors of this court in the event the final report is filed, and the final report would go against the petitioner. Reserving such liberty, the petition stands disposed. All contentions would remain open.